Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Gemini Code Assist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with giving promises, but first thing you need to do is go ahead and log into your Google account. So you cannot use Gemini without a Google account, so keep that in mind. You need to go ahead and log in. So once you've logged in and greeted by this prompt page, we can get started. So Gemini Code Assist is Google's AI-powered coding assistant. It helps you write, debug, and understand code better. So you can install the extension if you're using Windows. You can install the extension in VS Code. You can go ahead and go to the extensions panel, search for Gemini Code Assist and install it. But if you're on your mobile phone, you don't have the direct access to Gemini Code Assist, what you can do is click the plus button right here above your keyboard, and then we have the canvas option right here. The canvas option is going to enable you to get started with coding. As you can see right here, is going to enable you to code, write, or make slides, and this is how to get started with using the mobile code assist. But there is no direct way to do this directly on your phone. For the real code assist, you can only use it on your Windows device on VS Code, so that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.